Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the interior map lights on this Mazda 6 with these Auxito LED lights. However, before I do that, I do have a demonstration set up to show you the different light outputs from a stock light, a cheap LED light, and these Auxito lights. I built a device that would allow me to do repeatable tests on light bulbs and check for their lumens. This is just a cylinder, black inside and out. This is where the lumens meter will go. I have it marked off as 12 inches and then the light bulb in here. And then I have a 12-volt power source. In front of me, we have the stock light. We have a cheaper Yorkim light. And we have the Auxito. These two are LED light bulbs. Now the price difference between the Yorkim and the Auxito, I believe this one's $12 and this one's $19, but I'll show you what the differences are in light output, and you can make the decision on if it makes sense to you to pay that extra $5 or so to update. Now with the meter set up, it's starting to settle around 0.7 lumens. There is still some light coming in this hole here and then also around the meter itself. It just gives us a starting reading to go off of. I'm going to start the first test with just the stock bulb. And we get about 91, 92, well, maybe 93 lumens. Switching it over to the cheaper Yorkim, 400, 411. And then this one's the Auxito. And this one's reading about 970. And so as you can see, there can be quite a bit of a difference between 400 lumens and 1,000 lumens. Is that worth the extra $5 that these bulbs are? With that said, let's go get these installed. And in this Mazda 6 2014, you'll notice that this side is the stock light that comes with the vehicle, and I've already upgraded to an LED light, and you can notice the difference in the output. However, I'm going to show you how to replace both lights here. I'm going to be upgrading to this Auxito LED map light. First, you'll need a pry tool. I like to use a plastic pry tool instead of like a screwdriver to pry on plastic. You'll want to put the tool on this side, on the front side, not this side, because this side has the on-off switch in it. You want to push that up there and just gently pry down, and those will pop right out. What you'll also want to have is a rag, because the stock lights are very, very hot compared to LED. Set that aside. They do stay hot for quite a while, so watch yourself. And to install, it's pretty simple as well. Here. Oh. There we go. And to go ahead and put that cover in, you've got these two clips that go in first on the front, and then just push up and those clips will push right in. Now you'll notice even with this upgraded LED, it's a lot brighter in here compared to the one that I previously installed, so that's why I'm switching these out. A little extra light in the cabin is always a good thing. I'm in the back of the Mazda 6 and I'm going to go ahead and replace these dome lights. And in my previous statement I told you I don't like taking a metal device and prying on plastic, but in this case I'm going to have to. My plastic tool cannot get in here, and I don't want to push up too hard because the headliner is not very forgiving. So I can just use a device very small that's going to be metal and be very ginger with taking these lights down. And it doesn't really take much to do. Do remember that even though these are LED lights, they are still very hot if you keep them on, so have some type of rag in order to remove them. And then the new ones go in just as easy as they came out. Now once in a while, sometimes the sizes aren't the same, so it can be a little bit difficult. And what I mean by sizes is this diameter on some of the models aren't all the same. So you might have to separate the metal connectors a little bit, but just be careful. And then the front here goes in first. It has little tabs on it like this. So you want to put the front in first, or the side facing to you when you're sitting in the back seat, and just push them up on each side, and there you go. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like. Better yet, subscribe, and you'll get the latest notifications when new videos come out. If you have any questions or comments on these Auxito lights, go ahead and put a comment in the section below. Also, I will have discount codes in there as well, and also a URL so that you can go ahead and order those lights online. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and have a great day.